The Aussie share market is eyeing another record run following global equities scaling to new heights on Friday. We saw US and European equities close at brand new record highs on Friday after China's industrial production rose more than expected, while the tiger economy's GDP grew at 6.1% last year, matching forecasts. Currently, the Aussie futures are suggesting a 0.5% rise or 36-point lift at the open. Last week on Friday, we saw the ASX 200 rise 0.3% or 22 points on Friday, almost 2% higher over the week, and month to date almost 6% higher, 5.9% higher. That's our best monthly gain, even though the month is not yet done. Best monthly gain since July 2016. However, with profit season kicking off next month, the looming US presidential election and phase 2 of the trade deal unknown, we are expecting a bit of uncertain times ahead and volatility to kick in, with late cycle sectors and non-discretionary stocks to continue to outperform, as we saw quite a number of those stocks in those respective sectors hit record all-time highs on Friday. And speaking about Friday in the US, we saw the blue chip index, the Dow Jones, rise 0.2% or 50 points, the S&P 500 adding 0.4%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq shimmied 0.3% higher. Over the week, the Dow rose 1.8%, the S&P 500 up 2%, the tech-heavy Nasdaq up the most again, 2.3%. Across the Atlantic, European stocks also high. The Stoxx 600 up almost 1%. UK's FTSE up 0.9%. The French CAC 40 lifting over 1%, and the German DAX following. Meantime, gold is steady at 1,560 an ounce. Oil also steady following 2 straight weeks of losses weighed by global demand concerns. The iron ore price is currently trading 0.3% higher to $94.81 a tonne US, rising 1.3% last week, while the Australian dollar is at 68.73 cents. In terms of what to watch today, Magellan Financial Group shares hit an all-time high on Friday before closing at 63.32 today. We know some of the reasons why, as the co-founder Hamish Douglas increased his stake in the fund manager last week, according to today's ASX announcement. The National Australia Bank also just announced Simon McEwen has been appointed to the board. He's the non-exec director as well on the board of Rio Tinto and Spotless. And meantime, Sydney Airports reports December 2019 sales today. Also keep an eye out for ag chemical company Nufarm. They were downgraded by several analysts following their earnings downgrade last week on the back of extreme Australian weather, also stronger competition in America and Europe. Meantime, packaging company Amcor was upgraded by Credit Suisse with a 12-month price target of $16.25. Have a great day. Happy trading.